Let's run it again. What is going on, YouTube? Ezzer-X back again with 2003 BMW M5 Series E39 generation. Formidable 4.9 liter S62 V8 engine producing 394 horsepower. So this car was around $40,000. I know it's one of the legendary high performance car, but as always we did, let's test the engine sound and let's go to the garage. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like. Let's go. Alright, let's test the engine sound. Okay, it's cool, but why it sounds like something stuck in the exhaust, bro? I mean, y'all feel it too, but don't worry about it, cause I'm gonna cook this bitch, bro. Alright, let's start with here. The bumper. Okay, we got a lot of bumper here. So what about here? What about this one? Nah, it's not bad though, but I see a better one. I think this is better. Yeah, I'll keep this. Okay, let's change the lights, headlights. Oh, we got a light up. Oh shit, a lot of here, bro. A lot of option. Oh, we got, yeah. What about this one? I see this one. It's cool. It's cool. But I fuck with this one. Ooh. I like this one right here. Okay. Grills. Grills time, baby. Is it cool? Okay, we got option. Oh, I like this one. Or this. Nah. Like M3 right here. I'll keep this. Okay. The roof. The hood, right? Yeah. Okay. Custom hood for BMW V2, V1, V4, V3, V1, bro. Okay, I like this. I'll keep this. Look, I'll keep this one. Okay, let's go to the wheel. The wheels. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Okay, I mean, not bad, but we have option. I'll keep this for a back wheel too. Like, okay, like this one. Like this one, bro. Okay, let's change here. I want to be, no. I'll keep this one. Hell yeah. Look at this. Boom. I'll keep this. Okay, let's go to the back. Okay, here, tail lights. this one. Nah, it's not bad though. Okay. Ooh, V1 custom tail lights. Whoa. Okay, I'll keep this. Let's change the damper. I don't want two exhausts right here. I don't want this mufflers, two mufflers. I'll put them together in one side. So I should do this or this one. Boom. Look at it. Okay, let's change the muffler right now. Okay, here we got a lot of options, bro. Let me try this one. Okay, I like this one. What we got? Let's try this one. Oh, okay, we can do two exhausts because we got the one for one bumper. Okay, let's try this one. I like this one, but okay, I like this. Look. Ooh. It's not bad, bro. It's look good. What about this, bro? I'll keep this. Okay, let's change the what do you call this one right here. Hold on. The brake. I don't like this. This is the old one. You feel what I'm saying? So rainbow right here for front wheel. Yeah, I like this. And the wider tiers. Yeah, fat tier for both. Yeah, for here too. For here, hold on. Yeah, alright, hold on. Yeah, I like this. And for fat tier, we should do the body a fat too right here. Fat. Hold on. We should change the. I see the flares, right? We should change here. So let's see this one. What the hell? Ooh, I like this. Only for. I want here too, yeah, in the front too, bro. Cause see, like this, but in the front, the tiers bigger than the body, so we should add the front too. Front flares, right? Front flares. Okay, my bad. This one. Let's see. Okay, this is nice. This is nice, bro. I'll keep this. Hell yeah. I like this. Y'all know what time it is. It's the spoiler, the wings, bro. We need like not too much, not too low, but perfect one. This is not. I think this is good. Ooh, I like this. What about this one? It's big. Nah, not too much. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool with it. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. For now, let me show y'all before the paint, before the color change from the body, right? Okay. This is the front Boom. Side. Ooh. We should change the seats, bro. Inside. This is. Yeah, hell yeah. And the color. We should. Hold on. We should paint the body first, right? Yeah. What about red? It's cool. Ooh, it's cool. Y'all see my work, my magic right here. But I wanna. Let me see the glossy. There is a lot of type. There is a carbon right here. I wanna try this one. God damn, bro. I don't need to look other. Look at this. Carbon. Full carbon. God damn. All we need to put right here. First off, hold on. Before I tell y'all, let's change the inside color. The seats. What about not this one? This is cool. I'll keep this color inside. All we gotta do, boom, suspension down. Keep down. Ooh. Okay. One more. Y'all, I like this. No, bro. Chill. And I'm gonna surprise y'all. We have the car lights. Hold on. Before that, just neon, bro. Red neon. Nah. Let's change the color. We can do this one. Ooh. Y'all see the inside and oh, we can do the window tints. Y'all know, right? Boom. Tinted window. Nobody can see us. Boom. Look at this. I feel like change the neon color. Hold on. What about this one? Nah. Should I keep the first? What about the yellow? Nah, hell. I wanna do like this. What about this, chat? Look. Oh shit. So I'm working on the exhaust, the engine. So we should take this car into home garage and rev it. Let's go. Okay, boom. Look at the grace. God damn. Bro. I see aura right here. Look at the light on. Backlight on. God damn, bro. Ooh. Okay, let's try the engine sound. The exhaust, bro. Hold on. Don't forget subscribe, hit the like button. This is for today. Comment down below what car should we do next, and peace.